Dr. Deuk here again with one of my patients. We're post-op day 1, just 24 hours after her back surgery. And you had the Deuk laser disc repair on your lower back for 2 herniated discs. They were causing back pain. And we fixed them with the laser surgery here at Deuk Spine Institute. And how do you feel today?
I feel fantastic. Just, I can't say more than that.
And yesterday you were smiling.
Yeah.
And today I said you still have the same smile when you left. So. Have you had any pain in your back?
Yesterday a little bit, but today nothing.
Gone.
Nothing. Completely gone. I have not felt this good in a really long time.
20 years.
20 plus years. Yeah.
So you had back pain for 20 years, and that pain you had is gone now.
Yes.
Is that right?
Completely gone.
Yeah,
Yes, I mean,
yeah. Good. That's why we did the surgery.
Right?
To get rid of that
It's
pain.
a miracle, really. It
is a
really
miracle.
It's a miracle, really.
Are you on painkillers now today?
No.
The new painkillers, is that why you're out of pain, or is it the surgery that fixed you?
No, I'm not on painkillers.
Yeah.
I don't like painkillers in the first place, but I took them yesterday just, help me rest.
Enjoy your new lease on life.
Thank you very much,
You're
and
welcome.
it's so recommended to anybody.
Awesome. Well, thank you. Have a good day.